wabarakatuh. Today, I would like to present an analytical exposition text entitled Technology Cannot Replace Moral Education. In today's world, technology has become a part of children's everyday life. They use smartphones, computers, and educational apps to study and communicate. Even so, technology cannot replace moral education. Technology can provide information and make learning easier, but it cannot teach children important values such as honesty, respect, responsibility, and empathy like parents and teachers can. Moral education is learned through direct interaction with other people. By interacting with teachers, parents, and friends, children learn to understand others' feelings, respect differences, and care for people around them. Excessive use of technology can reduce face-to-face communication between teachers and students, which may weaken children's social skills. Technology can explain what kindness is, but children truly understand kindness when they practice it in real life. Technology gives children easy access to a lot of information, but not all of it is good for them. If children use technology without guidance from parents or teachers, they may see or copy inappropriate content and behavior from the internet. This can affect their moral and psychological development. For example, some children often imitate rude words or bad attitude they hear in online games or social media without understanding that those behaviors are inappropriate. Good character is built gradually through daily habits and positive example. Children learn by watching how parents and teachers behave and treat others. Character education requires continuous practice and role models. In addition, technology cannot replace the human role because moral education needs understanding, care, and guidance that only people can provide. In conclusion, technology is very helpful in supporting education, but it cannot replace moral education. Technology can increase children's knowledge, while parents and teachers help shape their character and values. Therefore, technology should be used as a tool to support learning, while moral education should remain the responsibility of families and schools.